day in the village. Hello, this is Sarah. She came to visit her grandparents in the village. This is their house with front yard. Look, here comes the grandfather. He is a farmer. This is grandmother. She plants vegetables. Look at all these vegetables. Let's see what we have got here.
Lettuce, carrot, pepper, eggplant, cabbage, tomato, all these vegetables you can buy at the market.
Let's go to the park. Let's go. Hello, Mrs. Carrot. Hello, Mrs. Pepper. Hello, Mr. Eggplant. Hello, Mrs. Cabbage. Hello, Mr. Lettuce. Hello, Mr. Tomato. Hello, dear Cucumber. Hello, Mr. Potato. Hello, Miss Onion. Eat vegetables because they are healthy for you and for your family. See you soon.